Let me see. No way. That exhaustion is crazy. Let me see. I'm trying to check if we got some news going on today. Let me see. See, forex factory. Oh yeah, we got. Oh yeah, we got news going on right now. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, we got news going on right now. This year. So yo, we acted at that area of resistance. Wow, we acted at this area of resistance pretty stellar. So let me see. 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 Dang, I should have kept my cells. Yup. Yup. I like how the cells look better. I'm not gonna even cap. We just gotta take out these lows right. I think we'll be straight. That's 50. I'm in buys right now, but let me see. I like the cells. Gotta take out this swing low right here. We could take out this swing low. We'll Gucci. Outside of that, I'm gonna hold my buys because if we break back above this swing high right here, we'll be even more better. But that's the 1 minute. Let me see how that's. So low key, I'm already in these buys, but let me see. Let me make sure I'm on this live real quick. I don't know what's going on. Yo, I need to use the bathroom. Crazy. Greatness are flowing in my blood. Right, let me see. All right. Yo, what's going on, chat? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I didn't even know y'all was here with me. I'm over here just running my mouth. Good morning. Good morning to you. How could you do this to me? Good morning, chat. Good morning to you. I didn't know that you guys were here with me. Do-do-do-do. I didn't know that you guys were here with me. Good morning. I miss you. Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Good morning, good morning. All right, guys. Let me kind of switch it to my big head real quick. Good morning, beautiful folks. How are we doing? How are we doing? What's up? Go live in Discord. Come on, twin. Come on, man. Good morning to you. I ain't gonna lie, guys. It's not cells this morning. This John just faked me out. I was already in the cells, and then it just came with the wah, bah, 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 bah. Like this is the high, this is the retest, this is the swing low that we need to take out. We're kind of struggling on taking out this swing low, but you see, yo, every time we come up here, we get some crazy violent rejection, like, and it's OD. So I really just want this thing to sell and just get it over with. I literally just hopped out of my cells and I feel stupid because now I'm negative like 500 for no reason. But I'm in the buys right now, but let me see. I just don't, I personally don't even like the buys, but I'm in it because that's what the trend is saying. But let me see. Like, you see all this ugliness? But you see like how we didn't even break this high. This is the high that I generated. We didn't even break it. But I'm being patient. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. Be patient. I'm negative $400 right now. Look at the little L I took, bro. Look at that. 660. Now I'm negative 4. Now I'm negative 4, man. Come on, man. It's all good though. The thing is that we're still seeing a lot of exhaustion right here. So until I get a clean candle that takes out this area, I'm holding my buys. Dang. And I kind of OD'd on the buys too. But for me though, for us to really be good, like for these buys, I would say once we come back and we respect this QP as an area of support, we could take it. But if not, we hold in this area. I like the exhaustion. Like this previous higher high over here is holding, so I ain't really worried about it too much. But based off of market structure and everything I see, whoops, I wasn't sure if I was what you enjoying. Like this is the low, this is the newly found high, and then we'd have to take out this low right here for me to really be with it. I like the cells though. I really like the cell. I really want this body. I'm just waiting for this confirmational bias. Yep. I'm gonna load up these cells. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta do it because if I don't do it on camera, it's cap. All right, so we're gonna go a standard. Just drop the standard in there. And another standard. And just because I like it a little bit more, I'm just gonna drop three. I got 3 lots in there now. Now I've kind of over leveraged my account a bit. It's all good. We're gonna see what really kind of plays out. But let's see. I'm in buys and I'm in sells, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna close out my buys though once we take out this swing low because it's the swelling pressure has always been aggressive. It's just this little momentum grab right here that it just did at the peak. So I ain't even lying to y'all. Let's see. You said fix my mic. What's wrong with my mic? Y'all can't hear me? You know what? I got this little noise cancellation shit shut up on this, bro. And I ain't gonna lie. Can y'all hear me now? Can y'all hear me? Hear me, hear me. I got this noise cancellation set up on here though. I forgot how I did it. Let me see settings. Smart pads. Nope, that ain't it. It's low. Ah, damn. Hold on. Some of y'all saying I sound good. Some of y'all saying I'm low. Y'all don't know which one y'all want to pick today. Sorry. Headphones? No. Processing. Mic check. Let me see. Maybe. Yo, it's not none of these. Faders? No. Give me a second. Settings. No. Show. Default. No. I ain't gonna lie. I got my other mic in here. Where that John at? I ain't never set this up before. Let me see. Let me put this in. Let me plug this in. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Let me see. Mic check. Yo, can y'all hear me better? Chat, is this any better? Y'all gotta talk to me, bro. I got on this mic looking like I'm driving trucks. Is this better? Yeah. All right, cool. I don't know if I'm using the mic though, so I'm just gonna keep it on. I look professional. I look professional. You feel me? So I'm just gonna keep it on. All right, I'm negative $700. What the heck is going on? Let me see. All right. So here's my thoughts. I got some sells and I got some buys. One of these Johns is gonna win. Now, to how I see it, we're holding this area right here, but selling pressure is like really aggressive up here. I'm like terrified as hell to buy up here. I ain't even gonna lie, but we just keep on pushing up here. So if we break, so far, here's how it looks, right? We're in an uptrend, but we've been in an uptrend, as you can see. I'm thinking it's time to come down and bring it down, you know? Get this 1 to 3, get all this, get some nice sales. We took buys yesterday. We've been going up. We went from ever since we opened up yesterday at like around 6, this thing's just been going up. still. So it's like we're starting to see some really aggressive selling pressure up here. And I really don't like it. But see, buyers keep on coming back. So it's, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's buys. You see, if we cross past this line right here, yeah, it's definitely buys. Yep. The buying pressure is just really aggressive. That's the thing. It's really, really aggressive. I wanna sell if we break out from down here because every time we come up here, we're struggling. Like, let me remove all this line stuff. Let me just draw out a current structure at this area. Like, why I think we're gonna sell. First of all, we got this huge exhaustion wick. All right. Hold on. Y'all give me a second. Nah, we can hear you clear, but my volume's at 8 out of 10. Oh, that's crazy. As long as y'all can hear me, bro. Cause I done plugged in this headset and I don't know what's working and what's not. I'm literally going with the flow right now, chat. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, your volume is not good enough. Oh. All right, give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me get in my element because I ain't even communicate. I ain't even communicate in my group. I just dropped the link, bro. Let me see. Copy. All right. All right. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna be very honest. I'm gonna close out that last position I did. That was a little impulsiveness. I'm add extra another sell because this is definitely showing strong resistance up here. I kind of want to explain my mindset towards this. I kind of like the buys can only be taken if we break above this area, this yellow line, because above this, and I'll kind of explain everything so that way you guys can kind of understand my bias in just a second. But I like the sells way more than I like the buys. I'm gonna like thoroughly explain everything, but I kind of just want to make sure that y'all guys kind of understand the mindset. So, continuing on from yesterday, I built the account to about 6,600. I took some minor L's. I took like about one, two, three, four, five. I took $500 in L's. So it is what it is. And right now I'm negative 800 bucks. I got buys and I got sells, but I'm probably gonna close out the buys because I like the sells way more. That's just me being honest. I didn't really intend to do it like this. It kind of just happened because let me tell you what. I was in sells at first, and then this candle right here scared me and took me out. So, I'm a man of stop loss, and then I closed out my sells, and I'm like, bro, I lost. And then I saw the exhaustion. I'm like, bro, there's no way that this is gonna buy up here. If it buys, it's a fake out. It's gonna like plummet down. So this is the first QP. Um, when it comes to this up here, we actually did disrespect the 750 QP up here. And if you guys don't know what QPs are over quarter points, they use this institutional, fundamental, and technical supporting resistance. Um, Based on how I see price action as of right now, we have a very strong resistance area at this QP. Looking at the bigger time frame, my charts look so ugly. Oh my god. All right, let's just go naked for a second. Looking at the bigger time frame, on a nutshell, like where we are, there's not really any major strong resistance area, but we've been just pushing up. So I feel like we're due for a retest to go back down, right? Looking at it, you see buyers right here are losing their weakness. When I look over to the left, I could see, we prominently over here to the left, we are at the area of a retest. is based on price action. So it's looking like it could be an area of resistance. Going down to the 4 hour, same thing. And this is me using over here to the left to help me understand what's going on over here, right? When I really look at this area, I could see that just based on this area, right? It's a major indecision area for support and resistance, but I prominently see price trying to push down more. I see buyers had the strength and it looks like they're losing it. Now, what's going on now is that we have to break this area on this 30. Well, let me go from the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're seeing exhaustion starting to come in. So I like the sells because of this. Candlestick analysis is telling me I'm seeing a lot of exhaustion, which is good. I'm going to close out one of my selling positions. Oh, wait, was that a buy or sell? And I'm going to add one. So I really like this. Yep, my sells are going into profit. All right, I ain't going OD. I got a lot of lots on this. So I think the sells are looking good. Based on how I see it, I'm seeing a lot of exhaustion. We just need to engulf this candle. And if I turn on my technicals, I had this area of resistance. Now I have a lot of purple lines. Y'all just don't mind them because when I go lower, I can explain them, of course. Within this overall area, we're at an area of a higher high. This is the previous higher high, and then this is the higher low. I'm thinking that we already respected this as resistance. This is a random, this yellow line signifies a random, a complete, oh, there we go. I'm just making sure y'all can see me. This line right here represents a complete random area of resistance, right? This is based on the lower time frames. And based on how I see it, this is the common area. If I was supposed to just take a random line and put it where all the lines touch, boom, it's cool. So now we're starting to see a high, a higher high, and then another high, and then these are the lows. We need these lows to be taken out as a form of confirmation. If we go to the 1 minute, this is the most recent low point. As soon as this random line that I did right here gets taken out, y'all can sell. Y'all can definitely sell. Now, the proper sell would be waiting until this QP right here, which is supposed to be coordinates wise, the 525 flat, 25, 525 flat. As soon as this gets taken out, this is the proper sell. If you look over here to the left, you can see that we also made a higher low right here as well, which I'm making a red, right? The reds are the higher lows, the greens are the highs, right? So essentially, we need one of these three to get taken out. So volume is coming into the market. It's looking very good. I have 2 positions already in profit. And I'm trying to just scavenge whatever profit I have left to just make it make sense. So I'm strategically exiting my buy positions because I'm not going to close out all of them yet because I still need this confirmation. So my bias is leaning towards the sells, but we're struggling to break, which is bad for me because if we continue to do all these wicks, then, we're probably going to try to push up. So I need a strong directional confirmation. Now, however, on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour, I'm seeing a lot of exhaustion, which means that, hey, we've tried to go up and we're tired. We tried to go up and we're tired. I want this thing to be tired. Like, let me kind of delete all this technicals. Sorry. When I get in that mode, I plaster technicals all over my stuff. Only thing you won't see me delete is my entries. When I get in that mode though, guys, I get creative. I just plaster, so I forget. Chart shouldn't be all QP crazy like this. But I'm a person, I work as I go. So the best thing about this is this major seller's rejection candle here on the 20 minute. So I need a variation of some sort to happen between these 2 candles and this and this bullish candle right here. I need sellers to completely take over right here for my bias to be correct. Outside of that, it's just a waiting game. Because as you can see, buyers is coming right back in. Buyers is trying to, and this has been an ongoing battle. So this is why sometimes it's always better to just sit on your hands and wait. GJ, let's see what GJ doing. Somebody say, you don't trade GJ anymore? No, I just missed the buys from yesterday. See, and the market opened up yesterday. It gapped down, did that retest, and it just kept on going. Let me see. Here to here, I have, let me see, 23.6. See, 23.6. Yeah, the markets is moving off of 23.6. So even on GJ, I want to just wait for the next retest. Next retest, what I thought was going to be somewhere like around here. But at this point, we just waiting because it's doing a whole bunch of 23.6s from the last market structure level. So I'm not going to try to catch the wave as it's going up. Stupid. Gold. Gold is at an area of resistance overall from the last market structure area. We need to do some formality of a pullback. We actually fell into this golden zone already. I'm going to delete this. We actually kind of fell into this golden zone already. So, you know, I'm just going to be patient. But last time I took gold, I really made my account grow a lot more. So that's all I will say. What's your thoughts on GJ? GJ in particular, I like that GJ's at an area of resistance right now. It's near the 750 QP and it's still pushing upwards. I would wait for sellers to fully take over before I do anything. I would wait and see, you know, within this range of price that it's currently in right now within price action. I would kind of correlate the data to the higher time frame and see if we see exhaustion or if we're seeing a continuation. By the looks of it, the bullish momentum is very strong. If you have a 4 hour, we just kind of retest this engulfing area right here and we're still pushing up. So it looked like it's buys as of right now, but on the lower time frame, I'm not seeing anything of sells. So what I would say for GJ as of right now is this is the most recent high, which, where's my tool thing? Hold on. Oh, it's right here. This is the most recent high. This is the most recent low. I would wait and see if we're going to retest and continue or what we're going to do. But based on this candle, this was the retest of the 4 hour. And buyers kind of took off from that 4 hour move, and we still been pushing up. So if sellers can start to step in and respect this QP as an area of resistance and start to push downwards, you could do it. But just take it piece by piece. Like you don't need to get all your confirmations in one. You just need to understand what's going on in the midst of the moment. See, yes, I love how these cells are looking. Yes. Yes, I love how these cells are looking. Pay us, please. Pay us, please. I just dropped another cell. Oh my God, I got so much cells. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I was supposed to show y'all. I'm tripping. It looks a little ugly, but you can see my cells are more in profit. I'm trying to strategic. You know what? Let me just close out all the buys right now, like how I got y'all on camera. All right, so hold on. Let me show y'all. Focus. I just closed out a buy. And then last but not least, is that my margin? Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't got enough margin for the lot sizes. I'm full margining my account. Oopsie. I did not mean to do that. I so did not mean to do that. My margin's in trouble. That's not good. Oh man, I so did not mean. That means I could blow my account real easy. I full margined. Oh my God, I did too much lot sizes. I went too crazy. But I'm in profit though. My margin's scraping, but I'm in profit though. So yeah. Guys, don't do this. Like, please don't do this. This was like by mistake. I so didn't mean like, you see how my margin's red? Anything goes wrong, it's gonna close out these positions. Although I'm in profit, I need to make more profit to sustain the lot size that I'm in. So a matter of fact, let me, I got 4 lots on this. I got 5 lots on this. That's bad. I got to make up the negative margin that I am in order for this to be right. Hold on, give me a second. I'm trying to like do the math to like make it math. Yeah, this move had choose the wrong way. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah, I take no embarrassment today. It's like every time we come down here though, the buyers want to get all fussy. They want to like do things they never did before. Like, chill, buyers. This ain't that party, bruh. We're not even against you. We with you to go down. Yeah, but you see, like how we taking out this area. I would say wait for the QP because the risk right here from this swing high to where it is. Well, eh. This is like a 1 to 3 with the stop loss being here. This is the odds that I like. I just want that QP to be used as confirmation. Oh yeah, my margin's screaming again. All right, Naz, let's stop being so tough. Got my margin screaming again. I think this is just a retest of some sort, though. Chilling. Should see a shift come back to the downside. I would say entry here, stop loss here. This is the final TP down here. And sure, the final TP for me. Let me see, where's my TP2 gonna? TP2 is gonna be right here. All right, so real quick, guys, I always communicate like a lot of my thoughts, my whole thought process, my everything in my Telegram. If you guys do want to join it, I'll drop the link for y'all. Y'all guys are more than happy to join it in there. I kind of just anything trading related, I kind of just like drop it in there. I'm trying to see where's the all right. I will drop the link right now for y'all good folks to join. That's my Telegram right there. I pinned it so y'all guys can all see it. That's kind of like where my thought process goes on anything trading. And let me go to that 5 minute. Kind of drop this in. As of this morning, I'm liking the sales. I'm waiting for a couple variations. Damn, I can't spell. I said confirmation. No, I spelled. No, I felt my spelling. All right, bum. So right now, sellers are taking over. They just when it comes to like right here, they get weird, bro. See, and like right now, we're starting to get a variation candle. If we get a variation candle right here, when we push up, yeah, I'm just watching my profit fluctuate. No way, buyers. Yo, every time it comes right here, it struggles. That's what I just don't like. So I don't. I'll be very honest with you. I don't like. You know what I mean? I'm keeping it a stack. This account's about to pop like a jelly bean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This account's about to pop like a jelly bean. What lot size am I did? I did way too big of a lot size. That's the problem. Trying to be all cool and shit. I got like five. I got 5 lots on this, bro. I'm so stupid. Like low key, I don't want my margin to be attacked. Let me see. My margin hasn't closed me. But if this move keeps on retesting up before it drops down, putting my account at risk. It's bad, but it's not so. I'm just thinking about it on if it goes well. So I'm only thinking about the probabilities that I like. So at the end of the day, I know what I'm doing. Things are gonna happen, but the risk management that I'm supposed to be using is 2 lots. I'm really supposed to be using 2 lots, and I don't know who told me to use double that. Like my brain is fried. Brain is so fried. It's all good. I ain't really mad at it. You know, it is what it is. You know what I mean, like, see, like, look, focus. There you go. So it's not too bad because it's that, but it's like my margin, like my margin's activated right now, which is so bad. So. But I'm confident because as you can see, focus. The move is going down, so I just got to be a little patient. I did bad risk management this morning, so I get a horrible grade for risk management. But my confidence is. That guys, give me a second. I got to make a quick video. Got to be professional for Instagram. Top of the morning, beautiful people. So I'm actually live right now on YouTube. Where this is what I'm looking like. Let's see how today goes. Will I blow the account or will I make some profit? Let's see. So I don't like it. I don't like it, chat. I wasn't confident enough. Let me do it again. Hold on. I wasn't confident. Good morning, beautiful people. I am currently live on YouTube, seeing some sales on Nas. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see. Let's see. If we're gonna make money or I'm gonna lose it. Good morning, beautiful. I'm on YouTube, seeing some sales on Nas. All right. All right, guys. I don't know what y'all guys' biases on it right now. See what GJ's doing. Okay, GJ's pushing down. GJ just took out some minor lows. I like this. Just took out these minor lows. Right? We could push back down. The only thing is that the previous high retest is right around here. So we just gotta make sure. But we took out the lows. Gold is pushing back up. Nas, can you just drop, bro? All we want you to do is just drop all these sales. That's it, man. Do us a favor, man, and just show yourself, man. God. You're always trying to be more gangster than how you are, man. Just don't get you. Let's. Right. I like the. Hey, I just did a poll in my Telegram chat. If y'all could just click that link and just go answer that poll, I really want to see something. I really just want to make sure like I understand what everybody sees and that I'm able to actually help everybody. You know what I mean? The goal with these live sessions though is to make sure I'm helping y'all. Make sure y'all tuned in and just make sure that y'all know y'all able to grow some way, shape, or hopefully what I'm doing on here will, encourage you to be better in some way, shape, or form. Good morning, beautiful. I'm on YouTube, seeing some sales on Nas. Let's see if it plays out. You know what I mean? So let's see. But why is my phone on loud, bro? John is crazy. See, holding my sales, I definitely wanted to drop. Chat, what y'all think y'all bias is this morning for Nas? I think it's gonna buy. I think it's gonna sell. Like, let me see. Let me borrow this line. Oh, this is the sellers engulfing right here at the. That's, this is another engulfing. That's 2. This is the random line from this size. Make this black. That's like a random line from the retest of the high area. This is at this engulfing. This one's at this variation. And then it's currently trying to push down some more. We just got to take this joint out, bro. We not. Keep on wicking out right. Let me see what news looking like. Last time I checked, we don't got no news coming up or nothing like that. So we should be good. Holding my cells. It would have sold already. It's fighting not sell. Guys, y'all gotta be confident in y'all biases, bro. Come on. How long, chat, how long have a majority of y'all been trading for? Let me hear it. Like, I've been trading for 10 going on 11 years, and my name's Andrew. How about y'all? How long y'all been selling for? I mean, how long y'all been trading for? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. 1 month? Okay. 8 years. Okay. If you've been trading for 8 years, you definitely got to be confident. 9 years, you definitely got to be confident. Let me hear it. Come on, chat. How long y'all really been trading for, bro? Because I need to see more confidence. I need to hear more confidence. 6 months. Okay. 6 years. Okay. Okay. 5 years. 1 year. All right. See, I got some type of understanding on technical analysis then, bro. Y'all niggas got to be more confident, bro. I'm not feeling the confidence. And I'm definitely not liking this shit that it's doing. Yeah. You playing in the middle, bro. My margin, it's screaming at me. I'm negative 400. And my margin screaming at me. I just don't like all this right. Honest. We need to exhaust that and touch the ground. Little random area. I made this based on these 3 lines right here. Now it's pushing up. But you see right here on the lower time frame, this is where we did an engulfing over selling. We break above this, it's like, all right, how we disrespecting? What are you waiting for? Get to it. I ain't gonna lie. Thing with Nas is if it keeps on struggling right here, but it's telling the story pretty good though. I ain't gonna. As to how I see it, we're making lower highs and lower lows, but we're in a range too. So I feel like we're extremely overbought. Not gonna lie, like. But you know, Nas got a mind of his own, bro. You know, Nas be getting all freaky. Nas will say something and then be like, "Psych." Thought I was, and then they'll do it later. See all this? We ever since we came up here, retest, and then we came lower, lower, lower. Now right here, it's like we at the same. Like I feel like that's minor structure because if we look at a little bit lower, sellers are still in control. All right, now, Nas. Gonna make a nigga slap you. I mean, gonna make me hit you with the Bible. Knock that bad energy right up out of you. Come on now. And then the thing is, this is buyer's rejection right here with this candle. And then seller's exhausted, and then buyers is trying to engulf right here. The only thing where I'm a little like, oh no, danger. We should be straight. Ooh. Maybe we not. Look at this. This 10-minute looks disgusting. No cap chat. This 10-minute looks really disgusting. All these wicks. 15. Yeah, we need a solid candle to print in this up. As soon as I said it, it happened. I can't make it up. I was just about to say we need a solid candle to print in this area where we're seeing all rejections on the 10 minute. And then what do we get? A candle. So if I was supposed to make this zone a little bit more defined towards this time frame, it's gonna look something like this. Body to wick. And as long as we break through the other side, we straight. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, chat. I strongly need to use the bathroom. I know I be having like a combination of stuff going on before I trade. Yeah. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna leave these sexy charts for y'all guys to watch. And I'm gonna use the bathroom, you know? I'm gonna use the bathroom. I appreciate the sub. Thank you. Thank you for subbing up to the channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Big shout out to Joshua Mitch 4343 for subbing up to the channel. Thank you. Join the Telegram, boy. Join the Telegram, boy. Everything's gonna be communicated in there. Join the Telegram. If you want my thoughts on my trading, join it. Please. Please, sir. Please. Yeah. We just need this engulfing to keep up. That's it. But guys, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. My whole thought process is this, and I'll just leave y'all with this before I come back because I'm probably gonna be gone for like 3 minutes. I gotta go do it, you know what? But we've been pumping since yesterday, bro. And then if you look at this higher time frame, not too high, but like a 1 hour, it's showing buyers exhaustion with this huge wick. And we're just literally waiting for sellers to engulf right here, which is near the 530. So anything after the 530 for a sell is good. Right here, with my crosshairs, 25, 533. Anything under that is perfect for a sell because you have the 1 hour in confluence with you. Right about now, we just been struggling, but them sellers, they say they want it, bro. They said they want it more than these buyers. So let's see. They still trying to work it out right here, but I'm gonna let them do their thing. But I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hopefully we get some action. Cause gosh, this thing's slow. Oh wait, I got a bathroom. Oh, no. I ain't back yet. Oh my God, look at it. Why is it playing with us? Oh. Rich Spray. Wow, go on, chat. All right. Yo, what is this? All right. I dunce my dunce. What is this? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. This is looking like it's going to try to straight fuck my account today. Excuse my French. But we break up above this QP right here. That's bad for me. May have to continue to take my losses. Yeah. Let's see. Now, the way how I see it is that as of right now, buyers is still a little bit here. I like this. I still like the sells though, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just playing. I mean, I'm deeming this as all exhaustion at this point in time. You know, if it wants to just do some magical goofy shit and push up, you know, it is what it is. But I'm still holding my sells. I don't like none of this crap that it's doing though. Okay, I got some sales going back into profit. Thank God. I can't even do another lot size if I even wanted to think about it. I like the sales just a lot more. There we go. There we go. Cause what was this crap you were showing me before? Like, there we go. All right, chat. There we go. I don't know what the hell it was trying to show us before, but yeah. Yeah, just come take out these loads for daddy now. It's not bad now. Let me kind of show y'all. Let me kind of show y'all now. We're not looking too bad now. Focus. Focus. Like 20 up, back negative 100. Oh, it's fluctuating, but it's looking like it just wants to tank down. So I like these sells though. Even if we sell from like right here, stop loss above up here. Because even if we sell right now, right? Stop loss would be above the area that we need it to. I think TP1 would be somewhere like around here. Let me see. This would be a 1 to 2. No, TP1 would be. Yeah, I like how these cells look. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, and then this is still that 1 to 3 right around here. Yep, I'm about to drop this in the Telegram. Oh, the some boy. How are the some boy, man? Oh, I sell, yeah, I sell. Oh, what did I just hit? God. See? Talk too much. Talk too much. That's what my grandma would have told you. Chat too much. I'm really just liking the cells more. All right. My dunce. All right. Let me drop it in the Discord for my beautiful people. Why does Nas gotta play so hard to get, bro? This consolidation of price actions is trash. All this. All this fodder. Yeah, man. We need you to drop it like it's hot. The issue with your trade is that you position before open NY, test the high one more time, and then kick in, but you're correct. Man, listen, bro. As long as my account can hold it, that's all I care about. But it's acting like this little support area is too strong to break, and it's not even all that real. You know what I'm saying? Greatness at the end of my blood. Trying to watch this candlestick analysis though. I don't want no highs to come, no nothing. I just want this joint to just drop, melt. I want this thing to make a new hole through the floor. Like, that's what I want. That's what this thing to straight drop. This seller's rejection candle that we just got, as long as it closes like this, oh yeah, we're very, very good. All right. Every time you get right here, you get an ice on trouble. Yeah. Every time you come right this, you get an ice on trouble. Oh, what's going on with Nas, man? Every time it come to the look of support, it just get an eye some trouble. Yo, could you imagine an old Jamaican man trading? He would be stressed out. I want him a class I go on the charts. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? One stream, I'm gonna give my dad like 3 racks. And I'm gonna tell my dad to come up here and come trade. We're gonna see what he do. My dad go, oh, they bomba class I go on. Father, trade. For real. Telling you. All right, guys, I'm in profit now. Let me show y'all. Look, I'm in profit now. I'm 220 in profit. Whoa, shit, I still got a buy open. Oh, it's all right. Let that buy stay open because my account's in margin. I'm floating 300 now, and we tanking. All right. What y'all saying? I lied. It's not dropping. Nah, for real. All right. All right. Broke the support them, yes. Take out the support them. Mm-hmm. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta make some type of bag to. I done gave up some of my profits from yesterday, which is stupid. I'm liking how it's looking though. Oh wait, I'm tripping. I didn't even add the stop losses or TPs. Entry, stop loss, TP1. Greatness, then I'm a blood. Oh my god. Why would you want to do this ugly little retest before you drop off, huh? Greatness, then I'm a blood. All right, Nas is back on the haterade. Ooh. Oh, what the heck? Things going up. What are you doing? Hey, we don't need this right now. Right? Need you to keep it good, keep it going down. Yep. Oh, the final countdown. Final countdown. All right. Come on. Go down. You doing? Oh, got a couple seconds left. Up. Go into that QP for me, please. Up. Up. Blood clot! How are the bomber clot this? Up. Up. Sell it again. Sell that shit again. Hold on. Where's my margin at? God damn. Yeah. Didn't break the high. Hold on. Come on. Exhaust out for me. Exhaust out for me. My margin at. Damn. That fucking push up took me out a couple positions. Stupid. Damn, that shit closed. God damn, how much lots I got left? I got 1, 2, 3 lots left. Up. 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 See. This shit acting like it wanna go up. No way. Let me see. No way. No way you're not faking me out. Get out of here. Only way I take a long position if you break above here. It's crazy. What type of doodle markets is this? See, John low key pushing up. Oh. Yep, it's looking like it's buys. Yep. Hit me, bro. See, hold on. I'm patiently waiting. Hold on. Yep. Pull up. No way. Hold on, guys. I gotta take this stupid L. Hold on. Let me close out. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna. Let me see. I am down to my last. Not bad. I'm down to like 3,000 now. Since pushing up, my buys are in profit, but it ain't nothing crazy. Thing is, I doubt we have enough volume to really go up here. Oh, I'm closing out of everything. Give it a second. Be patient. Be patient. All right, let me see. Good luck. Hold on. Let me look at the lower time frame. Just give me a second. If we get a candle that prints above here, then we could take the longs. I don't like the longs at all. I don't like these longs at all. Yeah, guys, I just took a L. Hold on. I'm waiting. See what's going on. If we get a candle that continues to push up from here, we could take the longs going up. Yep. Let's see. 1 minute. Instead of 1 minute. The 1 minute's looking. Yep, I'm taking the buys, guys. Oh, this is so stupid. I don't want to be in no buys, bro. So stupid. I really want sells. But that's what the bias is saying. Yeah, my buys are in profit right now. I just did 2 lots. I literally just did it. I got like I lied. I did standard. I don't even wanna be trading. Damn, bro. Hold on, let me see. Yep. Buy here. Stop loss here. There's just no way this shit got all this momentum. TP up here. The 1 to 3, right? Oh god. TP would be right here for TP1. There is no way. That shit took me out. Yeah, no, it's saying buyers are present, guys. It is what it is. Bias was wrong. Bias was wrong. Yeah, it's gonna be bias. Shit. Gotta adapt and not react. Let me duplicate one of these real quick. Damn. Let me see. Let me drop two more lots in there. I'm gonna hold to that last TP. God damn, man. That sucks. It is what it is. Gotta adapt and not react, guys. That's all I can say. Buying pressure came in. It is what it is. Look at that. That John is like, yep, psych. Market wicked. I'm in profit now. I entered the buys, but oh god. Y'all see this? Why wouldn't I wait for a pullback? The, you want me to wait for a pullback? Oh, okay. Let's see. The pullback's probably gonna come right around now. That's fine. Swing low market is right here. Because with the 9:30 open, sometimes you sometimes don't get the cleanest of pullbacks. Sometimes you just get straight volume. So I'd rather just play the volume game because it's the 9:30 open. Sometimes you don't always get pullbacks, and if you do, it's like it's very very slight. What's gold doing? Shooting up. See, I should have took gold buys. Dead ass. Goddamn buys. Gold ain't wasting time. Yeah. Gold got straight to business. That's all right, Nas. Continue going up. Make the higher high that you want to make so badly. Big old bullish candle. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even mad at it. It did what it was. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. How do you fit Blights so fast and adapt? I was wrong. And the thing is this, right? Like, this was my swing high right here. We took out this swing high. Even the wick of it right here, which is this, which I'm making yellow. This is the high of the swing high. We took this out so quick. So, in all reality, if I would have took the entry based off of this QP right here, let's just say this is the entry, this would be like a 1 to 2 already. Feel me? But we took out the swing high right here. This is this current swing low. I thought we were gonna take out the swing low and continue just dropping, but we didn't do that. But it is what it is. I ain't really mad. I'm just glad that it showed its true colors. That's what I'm more so happy about. This is TP3. Did I give a fort TP? This is the fort TP. Right up. I ain't gonna lie. I need to. I'm going to add one more position. I just want to make sure that it's ready for it, bruh. Is there any news going on today? Let's see, we got news at 10:15, and then we got news at 12. I'm definitely not waiting to know 12. We need to get this show going. I just added one more position. I just added one more position. I got now. I'm using the risk management I'm comfortable with. So whatever happens, happens. Yeah, a little bit over. All right, retest. A bit negative. 5 minutes. Right. Okay. Don't end in exhaustion. Why don't you? Might as well just keep it going up. Don't end in exhaustion. My 1 hour has 19 minutes left. As long as we support this QP. All right. 3 minute. Testing this previous area right here. Supposed to be on the touched. 7 minute. Quick structures. Does retest. That is 7. Continues. Let me see. It just shows that my buy wasn't bad, but sellers is trying to attack the market so heavy right now. Seeing a whole, I know we ain't respecting this. Uh-uh. 600. Here. Look. Distance is trying to come in right here, but still supposed to be completing higher highs. I'm just gonna shift it. 100. All right, now pushing back up. Retest area is holding, which means this entry was validated. Retest, no entry. All my entries are now in profit. All right. Just gotta hold this volume that it's just trying to give. Just gotta hold this volume. It literally did exactly what I wanted it to. Out this area of support. Keep on moving. Out this area of support for the retest. And retest no entry. Now we just need the volume. We need the volume. So I'm saying, where's the 930 volume? Where's the push until it don't stop? This. Oh, I know I can't see it. My bad. I didn't know I couldn't see the chart. My bad. 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 That don't beat me up. But this is the retest I was talking about right here. This right around here. Came back. We retested it. Should be. My bad. You just need volume to go straight into these QPs. This is why I like using QPs. That volume for that retest is going to be on point. Here. Structure. Games. Out. Tested the eye. And we should be straight to go right into these TPs. There we go. I'm floating 300 in profit right now. 400. Damn, bro. I just need this thing to keep on going. 500. Ooh. I'll give you an update in a couple seconds on what we're looking like. So 7. We need the 7 minute to close with this volume. So that way the 15 minute. No, the 15 minutes about to end. I stand incorrect. But all right, let me delete my little scribbles. Just look at the structure. All right, I'm floating right now. Matter of fact, while I do this, let me download MetaTrader 5 to this. I'm getting tired of showing my phone. T5 download. What is MTD? Let me download my Windows. I could just sign into my account. I'm floating 300, nope, 400 in profit right now. All right, hold on, guys. I'm downloading MetaTrader. Yeah, guys, just give me a second. Next. We are installing MetaTrader to your computer. Yes. I'm floating 600 in profit. 700 in profit. Let me look back at the move real quick. Yo, did we hit TP1 yet? No, we didn't. 800 in profit. I am literally recovering my loss. I took a, how much loss I took today? It says I took negative 1200. Oh yeah, that's just to make me back at 5K though. Screw 5K. I was higher than that before. Register? Register. Why would I register? Get off my screen. Alright, hold on guys. You need to take money out of your account and pay folks back. What's wrong with this guy? Who peed in your coffee? Who peed in your coffee? You need to pay them following the money I know. Listen, sir. Don't come in here with your haterade, bro. They always tripping. Alright. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put you in timeout. Came up here. Feel me? I don't like when people be coming up in here hating. I get them up out of here. I ain't going. You never traded before, you can tell. It's all right. We get the haters up out of here. You know what I'm saying? I pay my taxes. I know that's right. You see? What are we doing? We still close to TP1. Just let it do its thing. Let it fluctuate. A couple of my entries are a little bad, but it's all right. Going with the volume of price. Like I got like what? I got 2 entries that I added right around here. So it is what 525 QPs right around here. Let me just borrow this because clearly you're not trying to go 525 QP. 525 QP, stat, and then 50. We should be good to get this one. I just kind of caught it kind of late. Should be straight. Ooh, my abs hurt. Yeah, we should be good for it, guys. Wanted these sales more than these buys. Sellers was like, nope, can't keep it down. I mean, I should have noticed it on the 10-minute though. The 10-minute was a dead giveaway. Like the 10-minute had all these wicks right here, but then it was this candle that just made me feel really good about myself. But it's all good. Just chilling, patiently waiting. See what gold's doing. Gold's exhausting a little bit too. Okay. Oh, GJ turned around too. Yeah. Look at that. All right, Nas. Go ahead and give me TP1, man. Chat, what y'all think? I think we're gonna get TP1. Oh wait, let me sign into MT5. That is so right. No, no, no. I said let me sign. Of course, we're using an interesting. This is the part I don't see. Give me a second, guys. I'm signing into MT5. Um, come on, look. Is this thingy on? Hold on, let me look at the chart too. Sure we pushing up. We're retesting right now. We're making higher highs, maintaining these higher lows. See, we got this beautiful trend line here. This is low key the third touch. Don't know how I didn't see that before. Retest. All we did is retest this QP and do an overlap and then push up. Low key should have got in once we broke this high, but straight. Can't live in regret. Just gotta just do what we know how to do now. Biggest thing is that we're in the bias that we're supposed to be in, so I ain't mad at it. We caught it. Could you imagine if we didn't catch it? God. But a lot of y'all ask me how do I adapt so fast. It's because I know where I am within structure. Like, that's why I have these QPs. That's why I have all these things. It was sales before, but you know, the bias was bullish. It kind of was. It was just right here within the midst of this. I'll be honest. And then I liked when I saw this kind of going down because we were taking out these minor lows. So I was like, all right, cool. And then the biases came in bullish. I mean, like, we could all have our thoughts on what the market is supposed to do. At the end of the day, the market's going to do what it needs to do. We could all have our thoughts. We could all have our opinions. We could say the market needs to poop out gold. You know, that don't mean it's going to poop out gold today. You know what I'm saying? So, God willing, like, that's why we trade what we see and not what we think. You know what I'm saying? That's why as traders, we're supposed to use our technical analysis and, you know, dictate and understand where we're supposed to be. You know? So I feel like from here on, guys, it's just a little patience that just needs to be had. We're gonna hit TPs. But I keep on talking to y'all and I'm not multitasking properly. I'm supposed to be signing in and getting my login information. Greatness are flowing on my blood. Greatness are flowing on my blood. Choose you. Second, guys. I know y'all want me to talk to you. Can't remember my MT5 line. Yeah, I feel like our job as day traders though is just to be adaptable. You can't be adaptable, then you suck. Suck. I don't want to suck. Yeah. We're still creating higher highs and higher lows. We're just struggling at these this little area of support right here, but I'm resistance should be straight. All right, so I found my 5 login. I certainly don't remember what this password is. That work? I didn't hear no noise. Um, I think that password is invalid account. I'll probably have MT5 ready for tomorrow. Let me see. So confused. Sorry, let me just watch it from my phone. I'm negative, bro. Okay, I'm negative 100. Let's see. This is the actual market structure retest. I feel like we're. Right, back in some profit. We are pushed the P like Prada. Sales cooked. My John all good though. Took my eye off the charts for a bit. Yeah, now we're just retesting. All right. Dang, man. I hope I'm not going to be holding this all day. Let's see. DJ pushing up. Gold pushing up. Come on, Nas. Get it together, B. You want to wait till them old men speak? See how this 2 hour looking. 2 hour looking pretty good. 4 hours looking good. We done filled it up. All right. 6 hours looking good. I mean, low key, could really push to like 26. Weird. Need some GJ work, low. Trying. That lowest discount retail. So this trade's just gonna require some patience. Yeah, I've been looking at GJ. I have. I mean, GJ's at a buying area right now. It's definitely continuing with the trend. GJ's at a nice little buying area. I mean, it's a higher high, you know, but based on where it was just at, it just did a minor retest and now it's doing a continuation. So, yeah. If you want to take that risk. All right, Nas, what are we doing? Dang, bro. I am negative $200 right now. I've been sitting here trading for an hour and 17 minutes. Both you, yeah, no. Volume is extra doo doo. Extra doo. What US 30 look like? Oh yeah, US 30 just didn't do a push. Even market structure on US 30. High, came back, higher low, broke this high, retested, pushed off. We're just not getting the exaggerated volume that we're used to. I just don't like all this exhaustion. We're respecting this QP as resistance and this QP as resistance. Ah, Come on, come with the retest and shoot up. Come in, bad man. Because what is this? We need the pips to go buy Prada. Come on, man. Everybody in the chat's trying to go buy Prada. Sellers are starting to just took over. Buyers are still retesting. Ugh. Where's the volume? There we go. There's some more. Med tick sick. Yeah. Sure. Question. Not one bit. Medium error here. Yeah. It's struggling. Why is it struggling? Doing a retest, but see that 1 minute. Got it engulfing on here. Actually retesting it. I was about to say, where's that retest for one? Just got it. See how strong. Exhaustion. Come on, buyers, keep it going. So doo doo. All right, back. Ooh, that's nasty. Yes, I am wheezy, but I am. I want to see what's gonna happen like around there. Keep on getting sellers trying to take this thing over. Just getting buyers exhaustion in 5 minutes. Right? Right? Negative 400. Anything under this, I don't like it. This, and it's time we started getting going on up now. Seeing a lot of buyers exhaustion. And buyers, what's the point of putting on the show to push up? Wait a minute. Patiently waiting. Trying to have making coverage. Huh? Sell it from the high, both yesterday and that. I ain't gonna sell it yet. I need the sales to be fully complete. I'll take the early position, but Nasdaq cooked me a couple times. Seeing some solid sellers exhaustion. $10. Ooh, it's exhausted. Candle. Need to push up a nice rejection. Ooh. Risky. Team going up. What? Yeah, I don't have the account to separate out on SIP. So I don't see a lot of yeah. Well, we did an engulfing right here. Looking good. Right. Volume. Right. What's that 5 minute? Up. All right. Back up 300 now. All right. Let's see. Let me give y'all guys a little update on what I'm looking like. Before this thing does something else. Where I'm at right now. Focus. Focus. Yes. I'm up 340. Yeah, 350, 360. It's fluctuating. But I'm pushing back up off this patience of holding this move. Nice little retest. We just need the volume to just stay. Oh, tired. I got legs today too, man. Oh, oh yeah, still got some of this good stuff. Yeah, we're just in an area where we struggle, so I'm waiting to see how this 7 minute close with the volume. We need some real good volume. Got that 5 minutes. Got a minute left. We just need to close up barely any wick. We need this to be full of volume as possible. Thinking there's something going on the, or I lied. It was something going on in the lower time. At 3 minutes sealed the deal. I'm up 457. All right, y'all guys floating anything? Is anybody in this? You guys floating anything? It sells. Y'all guys floating anything? Y'all can't hear me? It's crazy. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nazi. Yes. Yes. I'm up 700. Yes. Come on. Keep it going. Thank you. Don't even stop. Give us that TP1. Don't even stop. Keep on going. That resistance area is not all that bad. Oh my God. I guess it is. It's retesting on the 5 minute. Retesting the 5 minute low. Go high. Oh, sorry about the yawning there. I meant the Lambo. I can't really hear you. Floating $7. Hey, that's better than nothing, bro. That's better than nothing. Sheesh. You could have had no dollars. Feel me? You could have had no dollars. And then what? You could have had no dollars and been floating nothing. Then what? I'm grateful for that $7 that you floating. I'm grateful. Because that $7 is gonna be $7 gazillion one day. Can I get an amen? All right, guys, I'm floating 800. All right, come on, give us a TP1, bro. See what that 1 minute looking like. I think the 1 minute's retesting these highs over here. Oh. Okay. Let's change it. All right. Guys, no cap. I may be holding this throughout the day. Because I ain't gonna lie, I thought we would have got the volume right now to go up, up, and away. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting on Nas to go up and just do what it does. Amen. Loading 120. I'm grateful on a one lot. Bro, US 30 be struggling to play out. US 30? No, US 30's bullish. It did a retest right here and it's gone. I think US 30 was the same thing like Nas. This is a patience type of thing. Because the way how I see it, this is the high. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, we're going towards TP. Hold on. Hold on, ninjas. I'm floating 900. Oh, my God. I just hit a band. Oh, my God. You know it's litty in the city today. Uh-oh. Yeah, TP1 got hit. Stop playing with us. We hit TP1. I'm holding it, guys. I ain't gonna lie. This account got to get grown. I'm holding it. I'll let y'all know when I exit, though, but I'm just happy as heck we hit TP1 because, bruh. Take profit. One hit. I've never seen a no more negative bunch of people. You guys just gotta be positive, man. Like, what the heck, man? Just gotta be positive, dude. Gonna bring the horse to the water, but it's up to the horse to drink, man. Sheesh, bro. Like, told you guys, I've been doing this for 11 years. It ain't gonna be perfect, man. All right. I'm holding it. We just gotta continue with this good volume, though. I'm floating, sure how much I'm floating real quick. I'm floating 1100 focus. Oh, now it's 1200. Yeah. We pushing up still, though. We are pushing up. Today, it just don't need to stop. It need to do what it did yesterday and just keep on going. It definitely don't need to stop. It need to do exactly what it did the other day. Keep on going. Yeah. I'll probably get it out TP2 all of the day. Let's just see. I'm being patient. Lord Cleat. Volume. Wallet. Umbaclot. Wanas. Hello. Keep on going. Don't stop. Get it. Hello, can you hear me, Naz? Keep on going. We don't need you to stop or think about anything with emotions right now. We need you to up and away. I have so much faith in you. I just know you can do it. Oh, the bum buckle like this. Oh, this. Yeah, I'm holding it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, chat. By 10:30, I gotta go. So whatever this doohickey wants to do, it's gonna do. But we hit TP1, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Took a little bit of patience or whatever the case may be, but patience looks good. We're making higher highs, we're making higher lows. We adapted instead of reacting when the market tried to fake us out. We got a beautiful retest. And that's just that. See what GJ's doing. Dang, GJ Soul. Sheesh. GJ hit that resistance is like skirt. Gold's still going though. And Naz, you got to keep on going too, bro. What the heck is this? Yep. Yep. The retest area now is somewhere like around here. Oops. Move that back. And to grab you. Back here. Steven. There we go. Test area somewhere like around here. See that 3 minute. The momentum, I ain't gonna lie, I like GJ sells a little bit, but we gotta kind of take out a little bit more. Nas, bro, you gotta keep it going, bro. These good old folks is trying to make you pay their bills. No? Me too. I got bills doing 16 more days and my birthday coming up. I just need me something. All right, we pushing up. We getting volume, guys. Back to floating 1300 again. Oh, snap. We're going past the wick? Oh, come on. Come on. Yes, give me a TP2, please. Yes. Come on. Yeah. That 1 minute looking like. 1 minute got 30 seconds. Volume is there. Volume is there. Break above it all. Yes. All right. The volume is there. The volume is there. You have the power. Don't stop at this point. All right. Looking good. There we go. There we go. Rise above it all. I'm talking about, Nas. Oh no, what did I just do? Wrong thing. I meant to delete that. All right. Nah, chat. We're looking good, yo. We're looking really, really good. We're looking really, really good. We're looking good. Let me show you how much I'm floating right now. Floating 1600. I recovered. Sick of recovering though. Yeah, bro. Ugh. Take out this damn do-rag. Shit. Giving me brain farting. Ugh. Let me see. This should be one of the moves that just keeps on going. I'm telling you, man, that recovery though, pretty good at it. Matter of fact, let me pull up my TradeZilla. Let me pull up my TradeZilla. Zilla. Doop, 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 doop. Greatness are flowing on my blood. Greatness are flowing on my blood. Oh, that was wrong. That was definitely wrong. That was right. Cancel. I dunce, my can't move for my rallies. Back at 1600. 1600. 1600. I dunce, my can't move some of my need. Greatness are flowing on my blood. Greatness, blood. Well, let's go. I'm up 17. Hold on, we hit TP2 yet? We're going for it. We're going for it. All right. I like this new UNAS. This 1 to 3 is looking real solid though. Remember, guys, this is like a 1 to 4. This ain't even right, but whatever. I already dropped it. This is a 1 to 3. I mean, TP3 is really like right here. But we'll take whatever we get. This is like a 3.5, and then this is like a 4, almost a 5. So regardless, though, I'm holding. Holding. Does liquid markets work on TradeZilla? Because I could not get it to work. No, it doesn't. I think they're working on it though. All right. All right, guys. I know I told you I got to leave 10:30. That is absolutely true. Hopefully, in the next couple of minutes, we can hit TP. All right. Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to. I'm so lost. What is it asking me? That. See. Import all records since January. Type the at least for some. Okay. So lost on what this is. All right. Let's see. Should be that. Should be. 1 second. Okay. That works, right? Start typing at least 4 symbols. Oh. Oh. I knew that. All right, hold on. It's loading my trades in there now. Ooh, TP2 hit. Oh, snap. I'm up 19. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. TP2 hit. Hey, listen, we did that. God is good. We did that. Amen. God is so good. We did that. Stop playing. Take profit 2 hit, man. Let's go. Telling y'all, man, the strategy be strategizing, man. Let's go. Stop playing. Let's go. God is good. God is the greatest. That's what I will say. God is the greatest, man. Let's go. Let me see. That's good, bro. Let's go. If you don't want to stop, just keep on going. I could close right now and then I'll be at whatever, but hasn't really given me a reason to exit yet, so I'm not gonna exit. It says Sunday 3000, Thursday 3000. We're analyzing your trades. Okay, Tradezilla. So what are you telling me? It's clear harvesting Monday through Friday. Your positive P&L entries 8 to 8:15. Friday 11 to 11:15. Thursday. That shit said Thursdays you lose. Don't trade on Thursdays. Yeah. It's only giving me the data from what you call it. Win rate 23%. Good. Profit factor needs work. Maximum drawdown needs work. Yeah. Trading profits. Okay. Yeah, trade. Yup, I need work. Well, running P&L. Oh, really? Go to the dashboard. Really? So I'm that bad of a bloody trader. Let me see. I gotta show y'all what my Tradezilla is showing me, bro. We hit TP2. Have a nice day. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, bro. We hit TP2. I'm gonna low key show y'all what my Tradezilla is showing me though. Let me see. Window capture. No. Where is it? That's the camera. Settings. Okay. This is my Tradezilla. Obviously, I lost today, so it's a little salty, but I lost. I made it back. This is the profits I made, and then this is today. Yeah, it's been a break even. It's been win loss win. So my Tradezilla score is obviously bad. It reflects your winning trades. Yeah. It's only 2 trading days. I don't know what it expects. Of course, the data is going to be like this. But let's go ahead and just wait it out. I'm curious. Oh, bruh. I mean, I know who I am as a trader. That's what I'm saying. So none of this bothers me. I'm an amazing trader. So I know I'm an amazing trader. So I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? Like traders don't show this because I don't know. Can't speak on them, to be honest with you. I can only speak on myself. And transparency is my policy. But we're gonna get this account going. I just wanted to sync my Tradezilla so I could have the analytical data because everybody starts somewhere. So it's not about how we start, it's about how we finish. So as long as we're getting the lessons that we need to learn. You feel me? But at the end of the day, ladies and gents, we're going to rock this thing out the way that we're supposed to as a family in unity, crushing the markets. I'm still holding this, guys. I'm currently floating 17, 1800. Focus. 1700, 1600. So I recovered, as you can see. I recovered, but like it is what it is. I'm holding because I want that final TP to get touched. I don't know if it's gonna get touched. I don't care if it gets touched. I'm probably gonna go stop loss and profit and then go enjoy my day at the gym. So I can focus. But I know there's some news that's coming out at Thomas said it was coming out at 12. So I'm gonna be in the move until then. Probably gonna bring my good old camera with me so I can record. That way if I'm on the fly, but yeah, I'll just take it from there. Oh, I'm floating 2100, 2200. We must be pushing up. 2300. All right. All right. I really need to go. I need to hop in my car and I need to like go. Guys, I love you. I love you all. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.